the very heart of the earth, the journey begins. Raw, unyielding clay, the bedrock of innovation.
Beyond, with home Pacific glaze with no false the quality, the raw earth is now ready for its first trial. A journey from nature's embrace to the heart of the machine.
From dust to form. Under unimaginable pressure, the very essence of the tile is born, shaped by precision and power.
Through the crucible of fire, these nascent forms are hardened, transformed, ready to endure. If you're fascinated by the hidden processes that shape our world, hit that subscribe button right now and join our journey.
There's a delicate veil, meticulously applied. This liquid sheen will soon transform into a durable, beautiful finish, preparing the tile for its final artistic touch.
Before the tile, there is the earth. Deep within the quarry, the very essence of our material is unearthed.
From the heart of the earth, a journey begins. Raw power, transported with precision toward its transformation. The journey continues within the factory's heart. Raw earth is broken down, refined, and prepared for its ultimate purpose.
With meticulous precision, the raw elements unite, shaped by power and purpose. If you're fascinated by the unseen world of manufacturing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible processes.
Through the crucible of fire, the fragile becomes formidable. The first great test, forging strength and resilience.
From the crucible of extreme heat, these newly hardened ceramic forms embark on their next journey, a precise ballet of automation guiding them toward their final transformation.
A delicate liquid embrace, the glaze is meticulously applied, preparing each tile for its vibrant transformation. This thin, protective layer holds the promise of future brilliance.
Where artistry meets automation, intricate patterns are born. Witness the transformation as plain surfaces become canvases of design. If you're captivated by these incredible processes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more
Into the heart of fire, they journey once more. This final, searing embrace will fuse the glaze, locking in the colors and creating an unyielding, beautiful surface.
From the fire's embrace, they emerge, transformed. Each tile a testament to precision and power, now ready for the discerning eye of quality control, ensuring perfection in every piece.
After the heat of the kiln, precision takes center stage. Every tile undergoes an uncompromising digital scrutiny, ensuring only perfection moves forward.
To achieve true perfection, every edge must be honed. Diamond-tipped precision sculpts the raw form into a masterpiece of exactitude.
From raw strength to refined beauty, these tiles undergo their final lustrous transformation. If you're captivated by
With unparalleled intelligence, each tile finds its perfect place. A symphony of sensors and robotics ensures every batch meets the highest standards of uniformity. The journey culminates in perfect order. Each tile, a testament to precision, is carefully stacked, ready to embark on its final destination, bringing beauty to homes and spaces worldwide. The
raw, stacked forms, a new layer of resilience is born. The tiles enter the glazing chamber, where a protective liquid sheen is meticulously applied, preparing them for the crucible of fire.
Now, the true test. Into the heart of the inferno, the industrial kiln, where unimaginable temperatures forge strength and durability. Witness the metamorphosis as raw materials become unyielding.
From strength, we now add beauty. Digital precision brings life to each tile, transforming them into canvases of intricate design. If you're captivated by this journey of creation,
perfection is not merely desired, it is demanded. Every tile undergoes rigorous scrutiny under the watchful eye of automated inspection, ensuring that only the finest craftsmanship reaches its destination.
The journey nears its end. A final phase of curing ensures absolute perfection, as each tile is meticulously grouped, a testament to precision, ready to embark on its purpose.
Every tile, a testament to precision. Under the watchful eye of advanced optics, only perfection is allowed to proceed.
From inspection to secure enclosure, the dance of automation ensures every tile is perfectly prepared for its final destination.
The final assembly. Each box, a perfect fit, building a foundation of strength and stability for its journey ahead.
The journey of these tiles is almost complete, but the story of innovation never ends. If you're fascinated by how the world is built, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join us for more incredible insights.
Cars, the final leg of the journey within the factory walls. These tiles, once raw earth, now stand ready to transform spaces across the globe.
Model. The journey of the ceramic tile continues as advanced automation takes over, guiding each piece with unparalleled precision toward its final transformation.
Witness the artistry of automation as each tile receives its protective, lustrous coat. A delicate dance of chemistry and precision, preparing them for their final aesthetic flourish.
From raw clay to a canvas of art, these tiles are transformed by cutting-edge digital printing. If you're captivated by the marvels of modern manufacturing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our journey behind the scenes.
the final layers are now applied, but their true strength and durability are forged in fire. A critical phase where intense heat solidifies the glaze and sets the intricate patterns.
Having endured the crucible of heat, each tile now faces its ultimate test. Automated eyes, sharper than any human, scrutinize every millimeter, ensuring only perfection makes it to your home.
After passing the rigorous optical inspection, only the finest tiles proceed. Robotic precision ensures every perfect piece continues its journey.
Uniformity is key. Here, diamond-tipped wheels meticulously refine each tile's edge, ensuring a flawless fit for any installation.
Witness the final gleam as these tiles achieve their ultimate shine, then receive a protective seal for lasting beauty. If you're amazed by this transformation,
the final stages demand meticulous care. Each tile is now carefully grouped and protected, ready for its journey to the customer.
The journey nears its end. Robust robotic systems now secure these finished tiles onto pallets, ensuring they arrive at their destination perfectly intact.
The final seal. Each pallet, a testament to precision, now secured for its journey. The dance of automation continues, ensuring every tile is protected.
From the packaging line, these colossal loads embark on their next journey within the factory's heart, the automated warehouse, a symphony of precision.
Even in this automated world, the human touch remains vital for the final inspection. Every detail checked, every label placed. If you're as fascinated by this incredible process as we are, hit that subscribe button and join our journey behind the scenes.
The final stage of factory life. From raw earth to finished product, these tiles are now ready to leave their birthplace, destined for homes and projects across the globe.
And so, the journey begins. From the heart of the factory, these meticulously crafted ceramic tiles set forth, carrying the promise of quality and design to the world.
The journey begins. From the heart of the factory, a new wave of innovation rolls out, destined for homes and businesses across the globe.
Ceremony. Across vast distances, through challenging terrains, the journey continues. Each mile covered is a step closer to transforming spaces, connecting communities.
The cargo arrives, a symphony of precision and power as the tiles are prepared for their next destination. If you're fascinated by the incredible scale of modern manufacturing, hit that subscribe button and join us for more behind-the-scenes access.
The final mile. From the grand scale of global transport to the meticulous precision of local delivery, every tile is handled with care, ensuring it reaches its intended destination.
From humble earth to stunning elegance, the journey of a ceramic tile is a testament to human ingenuity, a transformation that shapes our world, one beautiful space at a time. Subscribe now to witness more incredible journeys that build our future.